Hi, and welcome to QpiAI Pro. QpiAI Pro is an enterprise-grade AutoML and MLOps platform. In this video, we will walk you through the dashboard of QpiAI Pro. Once you log in, you will be greeted to the dashboard of QpiAI Pro. Here you can see all the components that are required to build an end-to-end MLOps pipeline. So let's dive in and take a deep look into each of the components. So let's get started with the dataset. So once you are in dashboard, you can click on get started and get into the datasets. Now here you will see all the datasets that you have uploaded. You will also notice that the datasets which are annotated will come with a green chip that says annotated and in the Cocoa format. You will also notice the name of the dataset, the task for which the dataset was created, the domain and the subdomain. Let's say for example, I want to take a deep dive into any of the dataset. Let's say I click on view details. Here you will see what the classes that you have given for the datasets. In case of object detection or instance segmentation, you will also see the number of files and the size of the datasets. Apart from that, this is the gateway to all the magic that happens in QpiAI Pro. Here you can view the dataset, you can carry out the EDA, you can view the dataset health check. Apart from that, you can also auto annotate the dataset for object detection or instance segmentation. You can also start few short annotations. You can also manually annotate the dataset, or once all the annotations are done, you can save the dataset. Now, the next component is annotations. So say for example, you are into manual annotation of a large dataset. Of course, the manual annotations are a tedious process. Once you have started a manual annotation process, you can always go to the annotations in order to access the already running annotation jobs. Once I click on this go to vision annotation, you will be redirected to a window which will show you all the annotation jobs which are running. So here you can see the manual annotation jobs which were running. You can log back in anytime and you can continue with your manual annotation jobs. Now let's look into the next component, that is the model training. Now here you can see there are two tabs. One is for your base models, another is for your trained models. For the base models, you will also see the base models are tagged with the appropriate task they are meant for. So say for example, if you see here DeepLab v3, this is meant for instance segmentation or semantic segmentation task. For example, Llama 3B here is meant for LLM instruction tuning task. Similarly, if you go to the next tab, you will see more and more models. So these are base models which you can fine tune based on your datasets. Now, once you train the base models on your dataset, you will see that it appears in the trained models tab. Here you can also see which of the model training succeeded, which of them were aborted, terminated by you, or which of them failed. Now let's move to the next component, that is deployments. In the deployment section, you can see all the active deployments that you have created, and also you can create new deployments. One of the important section here is billing. Now you will see the credit that are being utilized by your model training jobs or annotation. It could be your manual annotation jobs or it could be your auto annotation jobs. All the billing or the credit history will appear here along with the credit deduction as well. So now let's begin the journey of no code AI and let's develop some use cases using QpiAI Pro. In the next video, we will start with the datasets. Thank you.